What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. I'll be giving you guys a eyebrow tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So here I am using the Anastasia eyebrow definer with a spoolie at the end, and the other side is a triangle shaped crayon. Alright, so you see I am starting maybe a finger space from the beginning of my eyebrows because I do fade the front. So I'm filling in, and while I fill in, I am also creating a tail. So now I'll be drawing a line underneath the eyebrow. I'm telling y'all, you will mess up. So don't think I'm all perfect with it. Just know you are gonna rub it off and say, hey, I don't like this. So you see, I rubbed it off and tried again. Here I am fading the front. Well, same routine on the other side, but oh, you see, I messed up and I had to go back and fix it. I'm not perfect yet, but I do make them thick so I can go back with my concealer and always thin them out. You see, I had to go back and just touch up my eyebrows just a little bit. Like, you're gonna do that. You're gonna say, okay, maybe I can add some of this or take out some of that. But I'm telling you, your eyebrows is not gonna be perfect. Your eyebrows is gonna be one of those things that you won't be satisfied with. Like, you're gonna change something about it. Now I am using my angle brush to just clean up the concealer and, you know, just shape the eyebrow how I want it, like where I want my arch, how I want my tail, how I want the front. You're gonna use that angle brush for all of it. Okay, you see I am cleaning up the concealer just to see if, like, you know, maybe I need to clean up somewhere, maybe, I don't know. I just clean up my concealer just to see what I'm working with. As you can see, I'm feeling it, I'm loving it. I'm like, yes, I can work with this. However, I need to go change something about it. Like, I am doing my happy dance. I am satisfied, but I'm really not. Like, I'm always fixing it, like, until I feel like I really do like them. And you're gonna feel that way. You're gonna be like, oh yes, I'm feeling this. Not really. Okay, yes I am. But I'm telling y'all, you're gonna find something that you don't like about it and you're gonna fix it. See, I felt like my eyebrows was too thick, so I am adding concealer to the front of the eyebrows only, not the whole eyebrow, and just thin them out some. loves. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.